Hi, I'm Chelsea Lipford-Wolf, co-host of Today's Homeowner. More and more, it seems like people are trying to create outdoor living spaces or enhance the ones that they already have. But one thing that's often overlooked is how to connect your existing indoor living spaces to the outdoor living spaces you're trying to develop. Let's face it, you don't want to confine your guests to a specific area, even if you do have a big backyard. One thing that works for almost any outdoor living space are retractable screens. These devices are available as either DIY kits or can be installed by a pro, but most are going to include a vertical housing that mounts on one side of the doorway and conceals a spring-loaded roll of window screen. Tracks at the top and bottom of the opening guide the screen as it moves across, and a latch on the other side secures the screen when it's in use. This situation offers an unobstructed view from the inside, whether the screen is in use or not. And the low-profile track and housing outside practically disappear when the screen is not in use. These homeowners actually had the retractable screens installed on all three of the doorways that lead out to this patio, which makes it even more valuable because it connects their living room, kitchen, and master bedroom to this great outdoor living space. The inside benefits from the cool breezes without letting insects into the house, and the outside gets easier access to those inside areas. So this patio becomes an extension of any or all of those rooms.